rock stars. Thanks for coming back. Take a look in this video. Our goal is to determine the numerical value of this statement. 2 divided by 2 over 40, then times 40. First we do this multiplication. 2 over 40 times 40. We can easily cancel this 40 and this 40. So here we have this 2 only, and 2 divided by 2 equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So we have to do this division first, then this multiplication. If you do this multiplication, then this division, it's wrong. So we have to do this division first. 2 divided by 2 over 40. To do this division, write down the 2, then change division to multiplication and flip this fraction to 40 over 2. And here again we have times 40. Now we have this new problem. First we do this multiplication. We can easily cancel this 2 and this 2, which gives 40. And here again we have times 40. So here we have this 40 times 40, which equals 1600. And this is our final answer to this problem. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the fun.